You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning you're welcome. Essentially, that's how it's used. There are different ways of saying you're welcome. If somebody tells you thank you, what do you answer? That's one of the very sort of polite, formal way, but it's a very good phrase. It literally means I praise you, meaning you're very welcome. Essentially, you're very welcome. Anyhow, je vous en prie is how it's said. Je vous en prie is how you would say. Somebody says merci. You say je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Or in English, if you cannot pronounce the French R, for example, you can say je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. That would be a very polite, very formal way people will appreciate if you tell them that. There's another way, which is de rien. And I'll link up a video if you want to learn how to say this as well, which is another way of saying you're welcome. But this one, je vous en prie. You're welcome. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.